SmartCross-Laser GX Work Set from Laserliner. The compact tripod is ideal for applications close to the ground. Sustainable construction from recycled plastic is a valuable contribution to environmental protection. The pendulum lock ensures secure transport, while the green laser technology provides optimum visibility. With 1/4-inch thread and 2 AA batteries, the SmartCross-Laser GX can be used flexibly and practically. The robust tripod impresses with height-adjustable legs and versatile functions. The 3-way tripod head enables simple alignment of gradients. Precise horizontal and vertical alignment of objects has never been so simple. SmartCross-Laser GX Work Set from Laserliner. Precise, flexible, sustainable.